Hey, good day and welcome to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the simple filter. To do this, please open a file called inventory1 from the session 1 sample files folder. Okay, when you open it, please select that button, enable editing. The reason it is there is that this file was recently downloaded from the internet. It could also appear when you receive the file from email. All right, yeah, that banner appears to protect you because files from the internet might contain viruses. So if you trust the file, please enable editing. Okay, this is the list of inventory items. As you can see, what we want to do is run a simple filter. Let's see, what if we wanted to see only products whose category is seafood? What would we do? Run a simple filter. Click inside the data, go to the data tab at the top, and then under the sort and filter group, activate the filter. The filter drop downs appear. Now, using the drop down in cell C1 at the bottom right, okay, drop down and select all, and then select seafood. Click OK. There you go. We have only products that belong to the seafood category. Please take note of the blue row labels right here. Okay, they are unsequential. And also look at the status bar. It says 12 of 69. Yeah, it will always say 12 of 69 as long as you do not navigate away from this worksheet. If you do, or if you close the file, save it and open it again, you will not find 12 of 69. What will you see? You will see the word filter mode. Look at my screen. I'll create a new sheet, and then when I go back to the inventory worksheet, I see filter mode instead of 12 of 69. All right, let's clear the filter. Okay, notice that I went to data, sort and filter, clear. Okay, let me undo just once and show you another way. Undo. You can also clear the filter by dropping down and then clear filter. Alternatively, selecting all and clicking OK. All right, let me go ahead and clear the filter. Now, assuming we want to run a simple filter displaying seafood whose value is greater than 1000, what do we do? Well, let's filter out seafood using any method you prefer. So I will right-click, filter by selected cell's value. And then in the value column, I drop down, and then number filters. We want all seafood whose value is greater than 1000. Click OK. Great. So there you go. All seafood whose value is greater than 1000. Okay. Don't forget to clear multiple filters, filters appearing on more than one column. Look at that. All you do is go to the data tab and turn off this or clear. That way you will clear the filter on multiple columns. Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening. That's enough for this lesson. Don't forget to call the number appearing on the bottom right of my screen to schedule an in-house training for you and your staff. Yeah, you might also want to have a one-on-one training between me and yourself. Don't forget, call the number below. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much and have a nice day.